Welcome to Le Marais, one of the trendiest areas of Paris, but also home to some of the most historic buildings and cultural centres that the French capital has to offer. It's located across the 3rd and 4th arrondissements with the River Seine as its southern border. This gives you an idea as to its name. Le Marais means the swamp, and back before this area was settled, it was marshy swampland. Here you can see the changing history of the city through the ages. So let's go explore. A great way to start exploring Le Marais is the striking town hall, which has been Paris's municipality headquarters since the 14th century. It was burned down during the Paris Commune of 1871 and rebuilt, keeping to the original style. Before taking the name of the town hall, this square was called the Place de Grève. Grève was the word for a flat area covered in gravel or sand next to a river, and it was the site of Paris's public executions for centuries. After this, it became a popular site for angry workers to meet up to protest poor working conditions, which is where we get the French expression faire la grève, or to go on strike. During the Ancien Régime, Le Marais was the favourite district of the nobility. Now you can take in the aristocratic past at some of the most beautiful mansions in all of Paris, most of which are now listed monuments. The Hôtel Salé behind me was the favourite place of the legendary writer Honoré de Balzac, and nowadays it's home to the Picasso Museum. An absolute must-see in the area is the magnificent Place des Vosges. It takes you back in time to when the Paris nobles used to meet up, surrounded by the 36 beautiful pavilions all around. Victor Hugo used to live at number 6 when he wrote Les Misérables, one of the most famous examples of French literature. It's a great place to relax and take a moment in the middle of the city. After the upheaval of the French Revolution, Le Marais was totally abandoned by the aristocracy, and so was able to take on new vibes and flavours. The area became a vibrant Jewish quarter, and thanks to a revival in the 90s, you can bear witness to this by strolling down the Rue des Rosiers. You can find traditional Jewish bakeries, delis, and old restaurants. The name of the Jewish quarter here is Pletzel, Yiddish for little place. It was the biggest community in Europe until the Holocaust tragically wiped out as much as 75% of its population. You can witness the rich Jewish history and culture of the area here at the Museum of Jewish Art and History, with its collections housed in a 17th century mansion. Since the Second World War, Le Marais has come to be known as one of the trendiest and most inclusive areas in all of Paris. It's one of the most LGBT-friendly areas of the city, with lots of gay bars. Here you'll find the Paris Pride Parade at the end of June every year. Le Marais is known for its museums, with its most striking and perhaps most controversial a testament to the modernity and trailblazing sentiments of the district. The Centre Pompidou, built in 1977, is a forward-thinking art museum, which houses some of the best collections in Europe. Even if modern art isn't your thing, you can't help but marvel at the extraordinary exterior, one of the first buildings to be built inside out. Finally, to complete your visit of Le Marais, you have to come and check out the extraordinary Musée Carnavalet, a museum all about the history of the great city of Paris. You'll find items from the annals of French history, like a set of Marie Antoinette's belongings, a recreation of the room of writer Marcel Proust, and even some of Napoleon Bonaparte's favourite bathroom items. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other videos here. If you're coming to Paris and want to find out more about the French capital's rich history and culture, why not take a tour with us? Visit www.rivieracrooltours.com and join us.